Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the blooming Epiphyllum cacti. So this is the mother plant. So it blooms again. Our cactus, we do not feed them with commercialized fertilizer. We just put a banana peel, coffee, and eggshell in their pot. And they are still blooming. As you can see, there are a lot of flower buds, and maybe next week or this week they're starting to open. This is another cactus of mine, and it blooms also, and it is placed on our balcony in a shaded part. So these are the flowers, they are coming out, and this is a 2-year-old cactus. But I have also a cactus which planted last February, and it has also flowers now. So when you plant a matured leaf, the flower come at once. It does not need to wait for a long time. So this is the one leaf, but it has already flowers. And this is my 3-year-old Epiphyllum cactus. It has new leaves, lot of new leaves, and it has also flowers. So these cacti are placed on our balcony on shaded part, and during the winter I just put them on the balcony, but I covered them with plastic and with carton that they will not frozen, because when they are frozen they will die, and some of my cactus or my cacti died. So this is the one leaf Epiphyllum cactus that is new, but it has already flower buds also. So these are my cacti. My Epiphyllum cacti are blooming, and I planted more and more, and I want this to share to somebody who wants to have flowers like this. As you can see, the flower will open soon. And these are the new leaves of my epiphyllum, and that is a new planted or new repotted epiphyllum. This I just planted them before the winter or during the winter. So this one I just planted that in February, but it has already flower. So guys, this is my epiphyllum cacti. They are blooming. And I hope that flower come more. And thank you for watching.